Okay, you guys, so in Ross, I'm gonna kind of go through like the rack a little bit, as best as I can without bothering people. So they do have a lot of these baby tees, like Spider-Man. They're $8. So again, if you're like baby tees like that and Ross has it, they will be cheaper compared to Tilly's and PacSun, especially Tilly's. Tilly's been bringing out like strawberry shortcake and Spider-Man baby tees. They're gonna charge you 25, so like $9 here. This one is actually kind of cute. It's like a little layering one for 8. So you get 2 in here. It has like that little bow on it. This one has the car. This is $8 too. This one I thought was kind of cute. Pretty Please, like with the cherry on top. It's a little bit too long, so maybe you could cut that if you want. This one says California Writers Club. This is $7. I see this one all the time, like with the cactus. 7 as well. Mickey Mouse in here. Texas, Joshua Tree. There's tons of Joshua Tree here. And then here's the back. Then it talks about like the trails on it. $8, like Hello Kitty, Sporting Club. They have Sally and Jack, Love is Eternal. And this is going to be 8. These V-necks, like a little bit of lace on it, they're $5.99. I can't push them back, so normally I can. $19.92, Out of Your League. Santa Monica here. What is that? A Woodstock. I have not seen that one here, like a baby tee of Woodstock. It's kind of funny. Now this one I did like, but look, it's so messed up. It has deodorant stains all over it. To $7. Speedway, yeah, most of these are 7, so yeah, 7. Here's an Aaliyah one, which I want to say came from Forever 21. It's an Aaliyah baby tee, which I'd never seen one. How much is it? Because Forever 21 had Aaliyah baby tees. This is only $8. $8. Colorado, Brooklyn, the Betty Boop, like that's still around. Stitch, that's a sweater actually for $10.99. 13, that says 7. This one with the chains on it. More Woodstock and Snoopy, that's 9. Mickey Mouse again. Hawaii North Shore, more Betty Boop. Furby, it's kind of funny. Strawberry Shortcake, New York Racing. This is $7 here. Gotta watch out for people. Let me see. Newport. And then over here. This one's kind of cute. It's like another twofer. This is $8. So this lace, then you get that underneath. Okay, that's cute. Let me put that back. Here we go. Masterfully Made. Motorcycles. This one's cute too. $8. See, everything here is like pretty much 8. Let's see, can I, oh, I can't scoot that. Okay. More Hello Kitty. Over It. This one has like the bear on it. More Spider-Man. Peanuts is like oversized one. More Spider-Man, $8. That's 8 as well. Okay, stripe one. Texas Hold'em. This one's 8. Yeah. Is this one a twofer? This is 8, but it doesn't come with the underneath. You know how the underneath had something? I mean, that's still cute. Put a cami. And that. Los Angeles. AC/DC. Here's the bag. Highway to Hell. Then it's just AC/DC. It's like a patriotic one, so you can get festive with that if you really want to. Stitch. I'm listening to this dad on the phone who's mad because they raised his taxes. I'm like, that's life. Do we love it? Absolutely not. But look, Care Bear, not Care Bears, Pizza Planet. That's 8. There is Care Bears in here. Look at that for $8. If you do like Care Bear baby tees and like the Hello Kitty ones, if you go to Walmart children department, just get a size small. American Cowboy. because they have sorry I'm late, I don't want to be here. Right? It's kind of funny. This striped one. Let me pull this one out. That's kind of a cute one. That's 9. Like it. Then some of these might be repeat. Can I push this? No. What does this pink one say? Paris, France. Let me see. Can you put that back? Okay. Oh, you can't push these back anymore.
No,
there's another one.
Packed racks.
A lot of it might be the same. Here's like a Rolling Stones tank top. There's another Aaliyah one. This is $8. This orange one says Cowboy Club on it. Hold on, let me switch. Let me get this one. Cherry Lane. Okay, and then nothing in the back. Can you put that back? The Goonies. Here's like a Goonies baby tee. Says like Bike Club on it. Oh gosh. I see a lot of like these lacy tops. Can I push this back? Oh, a little bit. Okay, we just saw that top. New York City, Spider-Man, California. This one is 7. Hello Kitty again. Blue ribbon. Then there's the back. That one is 9. Corvette. 7. Okay, we have Don't Care for 5. And these button-up ones, they are $5.99. Let's see, New York, USA. It's like a strawberry one. A little bit of lace tops. Okay, they have these tops in Walmart. They're $5 here. Walmart, I want to say same price up in Walmart. It's the yellow one, 5. They also have these in Five Below. And these are a good Urban Outfitters dupe because they do have these. And again, it costs you a little more. Well, way more. And we still have a lot of sweaters left over. AC/DC. This one is 14. A few of these mesh tops. They're 7. This is like a long one. I feel like this could be a swim cover up too. This one ties $11.99. This one $12.99. Texas $9. $8 right here. Okay, look at these shorts. $14. This one I wanted to look at. $13.99. Look at that. That's kind of cool looking. Okay. These definitely are go up your crotch shorts. I'm not gonna lie. Like that's why sometimes Ross, their jeans are like that. I'm like, God. So yeah, because my daughter hates it. So jeans are sometimes hit or miss in Ross. Okay. I think you guys, because I went to different sizes, they all are the same tops. I'm trying to look for anything like new. And again, this is like, I am in the teen department, so women don't get mad at me. $12.99. The women department it's a mess. It's a mess, guys.
Let's give those shorts a name. Let's call them Gucci Clitters.
Yeah, okay. Look at this skirt. Very 90 vibes. Kind of cute, actually. That is cute. And a lot of these are skirts. We still have a lot of sweaters. Like, check this one out with the gems. There's one I saw right here. This reminded me of something I might have had. I had like these gems you just stick on stuff. $29.99. That's funny. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I could kind of browse through this one on my way out. Some tank tops for ya. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next video. It's like a tube top. This is $5.99. They have like a denim one in Walmart. Look at this one. This one with the beads. The bead one is heavy, actually. Like these are mainly like basic ones. They don't have a lot of graphics like USA. kind of like a corset style.